Here I have Motorola Moto G9 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to block number on this device. So first method is you just open contacts, select contact which you want to block, tap here and then tap block numbers, and the number is blocked. In the second method you just go to contacts, a list, tap here, not here, here, then go to settings, and here you have this section block numbers. Here you have the list of the blocked numbers, and here you can also add number. Just type it here and this number will be blocked. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.